which are found primarily along the river in the southern part of the country, in what is known as Upper Egypt. Our journey begins on the Nile's west bank, near Luxor, in the Valley of the Kings, the famous burial ground of ancient pharaohs, queens, high priests, and nobles. The valley's elaborate tombs were filled with riches. Along with mummified bodies, they held valuables such as jewels, sacred objects, furniture, food, drink, even pets, something royals believed were needed in the afterlife. Even though the crypts are thought to be protected by mysterious spirits, treasure hunters and archaeologists were often drawn to the Valley of the Kings in search of these exquisite artifacts. Now, we'll embark on an expedition of our own as we follow in the footsteps of Egyptologist Howard Carter, who struck gold with the most amazing find of all time, the tomb of Tutankhamun, or as we are more familiar, King Tut. Few archaeological finds have sparked as much celebration and scrutiny as the tomb of Tutankhamun. Since its discovery by Carter and his team 100 years ago, it's captured the public's imagination, attracting worldwide interest and controversy that continues to grow along with the legend of the famous boy king. We'll travel to Egypt and go inside a magnificent reproduction of Tut's tomb. You will see artifacts crafted by Egyptian artisans in the exact tradition of those used in Tut's actual burial chamber. This one-of-a-kind experience will shine a light on the significance of gold in ancient Egypt, uncover the techniques to mummification, and crack the secret codes hidden within the hieroglyphs. Join us and take part in Carter's expedition in discovering King Tut's tomb.
Step into the captivating world of ancient Egypt with me as we embark on a virtual journey through the King Tut's tomb exhibit at the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas. From the moment we enter, we're transported back in time to the grandeur of the New Kingdom period. Join me as we walk through meticulously recreated chambers, encountering stunning replicas of the artifacts discovered in the original tomb of the legendary pharaoh Tutankhamun. From intricate jewelry to ceremonial objects, each display offers a glimpse into the rich culture and craftsmanship of ancient Egypt. Finally, we'll arrive at the piece de resistance, the awe-inspiring sarcophagus of King Tut himself. So, let's delve into history and explore the wonders of this remarkable exhibit together.
As my eyes grew accustomed to the light, details of the room within emerged slowly from the mist. Strange animals, statues, gold, everywhere glint of gold. For the moment, I was struck dumb with amazement. And when Lord Carnarvon, unable to stand the suspense any longer, inquired, "Do you see anything?" It was all I could do to get out the words. Yes, wonderful things.
As our journey through the King Tut's tomb exhibit comes to a close, I want to extend my sincerest gratitude to each and every one of you for joining me on this immersive adventure through ancient Egypt. I hope you've enjoyed exploring the replicas of the artifacts and marveling at the intricacies of the sarcophagus of King Tut. Thank you again, and until next time, may your curiosity continue to lead you on fascinating journeys through the past.